Okay, the last thing that I want to make for my binder here is a little mini sticker book. So I've stuffed it to the brim, added some washi here, and now I want to make a sticker book that will slide in this pocket here. I can't fit much else than this in here. So I'm going to be very strategic about this, and we're going to make a sticker book. So I've got some leftover paper from cutting down my paper pad, and I decided to use that to decorate my sticker book. Now, my sticker book is really only going to be this big, so just take that as a grain of salt, right? So I grabbed some cardstock. This is 11 by 7 folded in half. And then I cut down my excess paper, and we're just going to do kind of like a happy horizontal. I really prefer liquid glue on projects like this that are going to be handled a lot. And I'm hoping this is handled a lot, you know? Like, I hope she enjoys this project as much as I have enjoyed making it. So I'm going to put my blue sky, or my teal sky, I guess, and my blue flowers down. And I don't care that they're overlapping. I actually did that on purpose. Then I don't have to cut more. I just cut them the width of 5 1/4. And my trimmer doesn't have a 5 1/4 spot. Because they're idiots? I don't know. I don't know why. So I ended up cutting them together, including this piece right here, which is going to be my belt for my happy horizontal. This is just the back of the flower paper, and I'm just going to pop it right on there. And there we go. That is our cover for our DIY sticker book. Now I've got some wax paper here, and so I'm going to cut this down to fit in here very nicely. Very, very nicely. So I want to give a little bit of edge allowance. And the reason I'm doing this is this girl doesn't have any scrapbooking supplies, like at all. So I am just going to make her day with this. And so I encourage you to pull out your scrapbooking supplies. I have an excess amount of this road trip collection that I didn't even intend to purchase. So it just works out that this is going to work out perfectly. I'm going to fold this in half because I'm lazy and don't want to pull out my scoreboard. So I'm just going to crease it like that. Boom, boom, boom. Bada bing, bada boom. And then I'm going to glue. Super easy peasy. So I'm just going to glue this on the inside and then fill it with extra stickers. So I already had stickers that were falling off the page. And I have a whole thing from Woodland Grove of random stickers that I have here. And I just thought, you know what? I'm going to gift this little girl all these extra stickers. I'm going to fill this book with other stickers that I've got. I've got another several things of stickers that I can add to this if I don't fill the page with just these. And that's it. So super easy. One thing I am going to add to this is a tab, a pull tab. So I'm thinking this is going to be a book, and I probably want her to put it in this way so it's a little bit easier. So I'm going to make a tab with just my tab punch, and I'm going to add that to the back page so that she can pull on that. So I'll add it back here, and it'll say sticker so she knows what it is. And that's my little DIY sticker book. Check the end of the video for completed photos. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.